Yes, next topic is capacitance of capacitor when a slab of dielectric is inserted in it. Means the first derivation, we have done the effect of dielectric between the plates. Then there is dielectric is filled throughout the space between the plates. But if we have insert the dielectric between the plate, only a slab, means not throughout the distance between the plate. These are the plates of dielectric, and here we have a slab of dielectric. These are the plates of capacitor, and this is the slab of dielectric. Means suppose it has the thickness of T, and where we have the distance of plate between D, then we have a free space between the slab and plates. Got it? Have you understand this is Q positive plate and Q negative plate. Then there is electric field due to these plate positive to negative. There is electric field E due to these plates positive to negative. I will write here E naught. And as the dielectric inserted between the plate get polarized, and here the center of negative displaced towards the positive plate, and center of positive displaced towards the negative plate, then definitely there is an electric field from positive to negative. I will write here it as E. Then the net electric field between the plates inside the slab will E dash is equal to E naught minus E. But effect of dielectric slab. We have done effect of dielectric. Now we have dielectric slab of thickness T, and such as D is greater than T, or we can say T is less than D, not throughout the space between the plates. Consider a capacitor of capacitance C naught. When there is no electric field, the capacitance, though no dielectric field, then capacitance is C naught. Means what is inside between the plates? There is between the plates is vacuum, free space of permittivity epsilon naught, and a dielectric of dielectric constant K is filled between the plate of thickness small t. Then potential between the plates V is equal to, as we know, potential V is equal to E dr, and here E field is due to distance this throughout the distance dr. Dr means D, and this is E naught plus what we have inside the dielectric E D minus T. E D minus T. D minus T means this space. Or V is equal to E naught D plus E naught upon K D minus T. Listen, as there is a free space, then electric field is E naught is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. If there is not a free space, there is any medium, then we will write here in place of epsilon naught 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K. Then it will be E. Then E is equal to Q upon R square. Then E is equal to 1 upon K. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. And what we have? E naught. Then E is equal to 1 upon K E naught. Means electric field decrease by 1 upon K times. Yes, now we will take common term epsilon E naught D minus T plus 1 upon K, or we can write here T upon K, and V is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. As we already done this derivation, when two plates of Q charge, then field between the plate is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. That we will have sigma upon epsilon naught. Got it? Now D minus T plus T upon K. This is epsilon naught and this is E naught. And what we have to find out, the effect of means capacitance of capacitor. This is Q. Charge density in terms of charge, we have sigma is equal to charge per unit area. Means sigma is equal to Q upon A. Then I will write here Q upon A epsilon naught A D minus T plus T upon K. Or we need V upon Q. V upon Q is the 1 upon C. 1 upon epsilon naught D minus T plus T upon K. Take the reciprocal Q upon V. As I have taken here capital Q, then I will write here capital Q. Capital Q is equal to 1 upon now I am taking the reciprocal of the equation, then it will be epsilon naught A upon D minus T plus T upon K. Q upon V. What we have? Q upon V is equal to C. Capacitance of capacitor is equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus T 1 plus 1 upon K. This is the capacitance of capacitor when we fill the dielectric constant K dielectric material. If there is no dielectric material, then K is equal to 0. If there is no dielectric material, T is equal to 0, then we have the initial formula which we have C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. And if dielectric is infinity, means metal, dielectric constant of infinity is metal, then C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus 1 upon infinity is 0, 1 minus T only. Got it? If T is equal to 0 means dielectric, then C is equal to, put here 0, C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. This is the formula which we have already derived. This is the effect of dielectric slab between the plates of capacitor.